Hindi ako tatakbo ng presidente. Wala akong ambisyon maging presidente. In 2016, I will retire from public life for good. Yan ang usapan namin sa pamilya namin. So I'm sorry to all of you who I said believed in me all along, who spent money and toiled tirelessly to maybe advertise my name. I believe it is no longer my time to be in politics. I will retire after my term. Thank you. I will keep an open mind about who I will going to support. I will decide maybe on the last minute, or I might just also decide also to just total yan silang tatlo diyan, puro magagaling yan at kaya na nila dalhin ang Pilipinas. I wish them luck, and may we have a clean and honest election. I will be here campaigning for candidates. Maybe Mindanao lang kasi dito lang ako kilala